Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the new topic of chapter number 13, population growth. In previous classes, we also discussed about the population growth in reference of the world. Here we discuss about the population growth in reference of India. First of all, what is population growth? The changes in the population in the particular region in the certain time period. That is called the population growth. Certain time period and particular certain region and certain time period, like here the 2001 to 2011, the change in the population, that is called the population growth. Then here the decrease the population, the negative population growth. Then increase the population, positive population growth. Generally here population increase is population growth. Now we discuss about the population growth of India. In India, here firstly here low medical facility, low population found in India, because here the uh, death rate is high. So here low population found in India. But increasing the medical facility, here population growth, birth rate is increased and population growth increase in India. First census of India. First census of India in 1872. What is census? The counting of the people. Counting of the people is called the census. लोगों को गिनना, ठीक है? The counting of the people is called the census. And first census of India in 1872. First census of India in 1872. And the census in 1881. Here the total population of the India 25 crore. Here the undivided India, Pakistan, Bangladesh include in this group. And here the total population of India 25 crore in 1881. First population census of India in 1872 and second population census India 1881. But in 1872 in this census, here the some regions of India is not calculated, and in 1881 here the whole the India parts regions person is calculated in this census 1881. And this census, according to 1881 census, the population of India is 25 crore. We can say here whole India population census in 1881. Clear? And the first population census of India 1872. According to Moreland, in 17th century, total population of India 10 crore. In 1850, the total population of India 15 crore. Total population of India 10 crore and total population of India in 1850 15 crore according to Moreland. Then here the population growth between 1901 to 2011 can be divided into 4 stages. We can understand here the trends of the population growth in India below 4 points. First, period of low growth 1901 to 1921. Second stage, period of stable growth 1921 to 1951. And third, period of high growth rate 1951 to 1981. And period of declining growth 1981 to 2011. So here 4 stages of trend of India from 1901 to 2011. First year, period of low growth. The population growth rate in 1901 to 1921. Here the low birth rate here found, and here high death rate in this region, in this time period, due to low medical facilities, many epidemics, महामारी ऐसे बोलते हैं, many epidemics also, and the famines in this period 1901 to 1921. So here low population growth in this time period. Here 1901 the population of India 23.8 crore. In 1921 the population of India 25.1 crore. Clear? And here the high birth rate, high death rate, due to high death rate and low medical facility, here population growth is low. Yeah, low growth found here the population in the time period 1901 to 1921. Second stage, period of stable growth. Period of stable growth. Here the population growth rate is stable, and here increase the population. Increase the population in 1921. Here the population 25.1 crore. In 1951, here the population increase approx 11 crore. And here the according to census 1951 population of India is 36.1 crore. 36.1 crore, and 1921 is known as first demographic divide year. The great demographic divide year. 1921, because here after the 1921 here increasing population of the India start here increase the population India. So this year is known as first demographic divide year. Before 1921 here the low population increase. After 1921 here they start the increase the population. So this here is known as first demographic divide here. After 1921 here medical facility increase in the India, and start to control on famine and the epidemics, and increase here medical facilities, education facilities, complete the food necessity of public. So here increase the population in this time period. Third is period of high growth rate. Third is period of high growth rate 1951 to 1981. 1951 to 1981. In 1951 here population is 36.1 crore. In 1981 here population 68.3 crore. 68.3 crore. Here population increase. Population increase 36 to 68 in 30 year. Here found high growth rate in this time period 1951 to 1981, because here control on the famine and the epidemics and medical facility increase after the independence of India. High medical facility availability of the medical facility for the general men, yeah, common men. So here increase the population growth and complete here the food necessity of the public. Then here increase the population growth rate. After 1951 here population growth increased rapidly. Population is increased rapidly. So this year is known as second demographic divide year. Second demographic divide year. Last is period of declining growth. Period of declining growth 1981 to 2011. Period of declining growth 1981 to 2011. This time period here population growth rate start to decline. Population यहाँ पे decline नहीं होगी, population growth rate start decline here after 1981, because here increase the education facilities and the population understand about the high population rate is harmful for us. So public start to awareness start here for the population and use the family welfare programs and the high education, then control here the population growth rate. And this period is declining growth rate from 1981 to 2011. In 2011 here population is 1 to 1.01 crore. This declining trend of population growth, this time period is the declining trend of population growth. Clear? So here we can classify in the 4 part 1901 to 2011 in 4 stages to understand about the trends of the population growth of India. Population growth of India.